Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to block ads on a YouTube channel. So how to block ads on YouTube on a PC or a laptop in 2021. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this today, I'm actually going to be showing you how to do it on Google Chrome. So make sure you've got that installed, and what you need to do is actually download something called a ad blocker. So to get access to one of these, what you need to do first of all is come across to the Chrome web store. So you just want to go ahead and type that into Google and click the first result that comes up. And then what you're going to want to do is make sure it's set to extensions, so make sure this is highlighted, and then in the search box at the top you want to type YouTube ad blocker. Hit enter, and then what you want to do is actually download this one at the top. So this is good, this is a very good one, because what it does is a lot of ad blockers will just remove sort of the pop-up banner ads that come when you're watching a video. But this one does have the capability to remove pre-roll ads, which is sort of the ads that play before a video plays. So what you need to do is click onto that and then click the blue Add to Chrome button up here. And then just go ahead and click Add Extension. And you'll see you're just going to get a quick confirmation saying thank you for installing. All you then need to do is come and click onto your extensions button, which is this little jigsaw puzzle piece up here in the top right hand corner. And then if you look, that should be switched on. If it's not, if you actually click onto it, and you'll see this little toggle button here, you can turn it on and off. Make sure that's switched on, and you'll see it says ad blocking. And now if you come across to YouTube and you go ahead and play videos as normal, that's going to be activated. So any videos you play, there shouldn't be any ads playing, including pre-roll, mid-roll, and banner pop-up ads. But yeah, that's the best way to do it. I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.